everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about glasses that are not sitting right or not sitting properly at all. If your glasses are not sitting right, this is the video for you. I'll be going over how to make them fit better in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into the video. Now I'm going to address this right away. My glasses are not sitting right at all because this arm is actually completely broken. I have literally two sets of tape. I have duct tape and electrical tape holding this arm together. Now, just give me some credit here. I already made an appointment to go get new glasses. So I will be getting new glasses in the near future, okay? So, but these are the things that I generally do when my glasses don't sit right and they're not broken and I can fix them. I can adjust them, okay? So, number one, if one side of the glasses is sitting higher than the other, then you can adjust the arms to raise the one side or lower the one side that's too high or too low. So basically what you're gonna do is take your glasses off, and you don't wanna bend the arm like this, okay? Because that's going to potentially break the hinge. What you want to do is get a firm, and heat the glasses up, and do this at your own risk, obviously. You gotta, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, then bring it to an optician, an eye doctor, and they'll do it for you, okay? Most of the time, if you bought the glasses there, they'll probably adjust them for free. But if you feel comfortable doing it, you want to heat up the frame a little bit. If it's a plastic lens, or if it's a metal lens, you can usually do without heating up the frame, but just barely apply any pressure at all, and you want to bend this down or up. Now, don't go with too much force. You're going to snap your glasses. Down or up. That's going to raise or lower each side. So you can adjust the arms down or up to raise or lower each side, okay? Do it gently. Barely use any force at all. You just need to move it like a 1/16 of an inch, like nothing, okay? The tiniest bit will make a massive difference, okay? If that doesn't help you out and you have a different problem with them not sitting right, move on to number two, which is that if they're too wide, then you can do one of two things to sort of make them more narrow or make them fit more narrowly, okay? So the first thing that you can do is bend the arm in. So you can see right here, this arm of the glasses has been bent inwards, and that's because it hugs I don't have any hair, so I need my glasses to be extra tight to grip onto my head. If I'm sweaty and I just shave my head, my glasses will just fall off if they're not bent. So that's why I had to do that, okay? But in addition, what you can also do is use elastics. So, you know, you can use any color elastics. I have these clear little elastics for like my daughter's hair. You get they're like hair ties, so they're clear, so you can't see them in the hair, I guess. Obviously, I don't know, but I do my daughter's ponytail. You know, my wife does it most of the time. I do it sometimes. But I just grabbed two of those elastics and I literally put them on my glasses, and now they don't slide. So if they're too wide, that will stop them from sliding, but bending them will make them more narrow, okay? If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to number three, which is that you can adjust the nose pads if your glasses have nose pads. Now, most glasses don't have nose pads now. Most glasses are, you know, these plastic frames that don't have nose pads. But if your glasses do have nose pads, you can gently adjust them. But remember, if you bend the nose pads too many times, they're going to snap off because they're going to be metal, and the more that you bend them, the weaker they're going to get. So limit the number of times that you do this, but you can adjust the nose pads in or out, adjust the angle of them to make them fit better. That will allow you to sort of raise them up or lower them down, okay? Raise them on the bridge of your nose or down towards the bridge of your nose, okay? And lastly, the fourth thing that you can do is you can actually bend the glasses themselves inwards or outwards ever so slightly, okay? Now, you do run the risk of popping out your lenses when you do this, so please be careful. But you can take the lenses, you can take the frame like this, and you can bend them inwards ever so slightly. Once again, you want to heat up the nose bridge right over here, and you can bend them inwards just a bit. If you bend them inwards too much, you might break them, you might pop the lens out. So you always, if you're doing any of this stuff, you need to be extra cautious because you can easily cause some pretty significant damage to the glasses. You can break them, you can damage them. So I would recommend that you only do this if you're comfortable doing this, okay? If your glasses are brand new and you're like really afraid to break them, bring them to an eye doctor, bring them to an optician. Just get it done professionally. They have the right tools and stuff. You know, like you can use a hairdryer to heat them up, but they have the right equipment that will bend the frames properly. If you're like me, like these glasses are so old, you know, I would just bend them no problem because I'm gonna order new ones, and if I break them, I'm still gonna order new ones anyways. So, you know, but it's kind of up to you. But if your glasses are not sitting right, that is how to make them fit better in a very simplistic tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.